In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Ford Focus located at the base of your windshield. Go ahead and grab your wiper arm and lift it up. You're going to fold the blade out and you're going to come up on the bottom side here. You're going to feel a little tab on the bottom. You're going to take that tab and push it towards the wiper blade. And then grab the whole wiper blade and pull it down towards you. You're going to disconnect it off of the J hook right here. Now what I like to do is go ahead and set that arm gently down on the base of the windshield and set it. If you hit that, it's spring loaded, it can crack that windshield, so just go ahead and set it there for now. Go ahead and lift this up. Take your new wiper blade. And there's going to be a curved attachment inside here that will match up to this J hook. So you're going to put the hook into it and slide it up and on. And you're going to feel it and hear it lock into place. Before you set it down, go ahead and remove the protective coating off of the blade and then lower it down in a position. Setting that down. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.